Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Miss T at ms.t is blessed. If this is your first time visiting my channel is about hauls, DIYs, vlogs, healthier lifestyle, which includes healthier living and what I'm learning about different healthy foods. So if you're interested, please subscribe, always comment, and give me a thumbs up. So today I'm going to share with you a Dollar Tree haul, and a lot of the things in the haul today is some of the things that I'm going to use for my DIYs. So one of the first things that I bought, and of course everything here was $1 because it's from Dollar Tree, was these chopping mats, and you get 2 in the pack. And I bought these because someone wanted a holder for their business cards. So I was thinking about how I could make that. So I just shaped the chopping mat in the shape of a little square, and I added some diamond wrap. Can you see that? And I put the little gems at the bottom. I put a piece of marble contact paper on the inside. I have the silver diamond wrap on the outside and the black diamond wrap on the inside. And I put a couple of gems right there on the front. So she hasn't decided if she hasn't seen it yet. So I don't know if she'll like it. But that's what I use the chopping mats for. Next, from the Dollar Tree, she wanted some white frames. And so I could only find the silver frames. And I bought 3 of those. And I spray painted one white. So that came out pretty good, and I hope she likes that. Excuse me. And I also bought a couple of these floating shells. They were only $1, of course, and they only had 2, so I got both. I think that's a great deal for floating shelves, and you can always use them for other things. Also, I bought a display easel because she can use this for business cards also, or flyers or something like that, or maybe just for the pictures. Something new at the Dollar Tree that I saw when I first walked in was cooking utensils, and the company is called Cooking Concepts. And I thought that the marble effect on the handle was so pretty, so I bought the spoon, the slotted spoon, the solid turner, and they had a slotted turner, but I didn't get that one. And I also got a spatula. So all of this was from the Dollar Tree. Next, I bought a pod foot file. We can always use that when we're pampering ourselves. Also, I bought some lotion, and it's called Touch of Love, and it's blackberry and lilac scented. So it's not really a strong lotion, just something you can keep in your pocketbook, and it has a nice scent to it, and it's not really thick or heavy. I found these wooden magnets. Now, I really like the shape of them, and I have a DIY in mind for this. But as you see, they're magnets, but they're not really strong magnets. So I'll find something to use them for, but I really just like the shape of them. So some essentials that I bought from the Dollar Tree is a spray hand sanitizer. Then I also found the sanitizer wipes, and you get 24 in a pack. I bought some alcohol, and I always get Band-Aids because I always do DIYs and I might need them. And also, new at the Dollar Tree was this lamp. And flexible LED desk lamp. And I think that's a great deal for $1. So I want to show you how it looks outside of the box. So they come in black and white. So this is the size of it. And you can move this around, excuse me, and point it in different directions. You can have it up like this. And that was from the Dollar Tree also. Excuse me. And I also have a couple of things from Big Lot. And this is just a little plaque that says hello. And if you buy something like this, you don't necessarily have to use it. It has a hook in the back where you can put it on a wall, but you can also use it to put, I was thinking of the business cards again. You can also use it like this, paint it a different color, and just change it. It can be used for more than one thing. And I bought these 3-pack stack. This came from Big Lot. Stack bins, and it was $4 for 3. And these can be used in your refrigerator, like for canned goods, yogurts, something like that. Excuse me. Or can be used for your DIY supplies. And you can just stack it on top of each other to keep them neat and organized. And then from Target, excuse me 1 second, I bought this dry erase board. I think this was only $10. And it has a metal frame and a pen that goes with it. It says premium steel dry erase surface, magnet compatible, slim modern frame profile, hassle-free mounting. And this was $9. And I also found these beautiful pillows. And I found these at a store called Foreman Mills. Aren't they pretty? I just love them. And they were $8 a piece. And I think this is my favorite, but it's for someone else. And I hope they enjoy them. So that's my haul for today. Hope you saw something that you like. And head on over to Dollar Tree. Each Dollar Tree has different supplies, different items, different products. And the Dollar Tree near me, I go quite often because they always get something new in. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. This is Miss T at ms.t is blessed. And remember, today is a gift. Enjoy your present and live your best life. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.